Okay, so now let's go to pricing a call option, and as you can see, the price for a call option is the strike price times the area to the left of D1 minus the strike price times e to the minus RT times the area to the left of D2. So this is exactly, I broke it down into two parts. This will be the A part and this is going to be the B part. So the A part is the spot times the CDF, the cumulative distribution functions of D1. So this is this part, and the second part I call it B, which is minus, let's ignore the minus, this is the strike price. So here is the strike times the area to the left, the cumulative distribution function of D2, which is here, and we need to multiply it by the exponential of minus r to the t. So this is e to the minus r to the t, and of course we need to subtract them. So the call price will return a minus b, meaning this expression minus this expression. So we will get the call price, and I wanted to make it a little bit more aesthetic, so I just formatted it so I have no figures to the right of the point. And also I'll multiply the result times the multiplier, because if the option is only for one underlying multiplier, then I'll put just one. But if it depends on the options contract, so it has to be times the multiplier. Basically the same thing I did for the put price. This is the same construction technique. So I'll take A and B. This times the A part will be this, the B part will be this, and you can see it's basically the same technique.